So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Yes, my hair looks crazy. It doesn't matter. I don't care. But besides the point. Before anything, guys, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. In today's video, I'm gonna be replacing my battery terminals. I'll show you guys real quick. Battery terminal snap. No bolt on it, so that's getting replaced. And then this one as well, because as you can see, that ground is basura, shot. So that's all getting replaced. And also, I got some sad news, guys, but I think that might be another video. And also as well, I made a whole complete video of driving the 6B, and it was all recorded in slow-mo. So all that footage is trash, gone. Woo! Fire. Old school, I like that. So what's going on, guys? I'm gonna go to AutoZone right now. Basically, this will be the first official drive of the Acura 6B TL, because the first official drive got all messed up. I'm gonna go by the terminals. There's one a positive terminal, and I'm gonna buy a ground because that one not cutting it, to be honest. You feel me? But guys, I don't know, man. I'm a little out of it right now. You feel me? Like, when I make the next video, everything is gonna make sense, like completely. Oh, my car was having a little issue yesterday. I wanted to put this in there because in the video I made yesterday, it was in there, but you know, since everything was in slow-mo, everything was trash. So the car was supposedly overheated, but it was not overheated. The problem was that the radiator cap was bad, so all the pressure kept on going into the reservoir and leaking out the reservoir. And the reservoir, when I was trying to put it out the reservoir, it wasn't happening because the line of the reservoir was missing. So I brought a new radiator cap, and I found a hose that fits, and I put it in there. So that's good. I'm happy there. My car's not overheating no more. It's not acting up. Well, it was technically never overheated. It just thought it was overheating because of that issue. But when I checked the hoses, the car wasn't overheating. The car wasn't like extremely hot. The hoses wasn't expanding like crazy. Feel me? Like, I could still squeeze them and everything. So that issue got resolved. It's fixed. The car does not overheat at all. I got scared because I'm like, yo, this car has never overheated on me. Like, I've driven this car to Florida and back with no issues, and now you overheating? Like, from what? Like, when? Where? Like, you bugging. And yeah, so I got that situation fixed. And also the passenger side, damn, side skirt in the front, I had to take it off. It kept on falling and it's causing too much attention. I literally had a cop like, yo man, the side of your car is literally on the floor. I'm like, oh yeah, my side skirt, yeah, it falls off from time to time. He was like, oh man, you should try to just take it off, man, because I don't want it to fall and then you lose it. I was like, yeah, I'll do that right now. I went to my aunt's house, screwdriver, took it off. I'm gonna need to get a little screwdriver so I can do the backs. I can't wait to put the A-Specs ones on. And I put about 100 miles yesterday on the car. I'm so excited, yo. Look, I mean, I miss driving this car. The clutch is gonna be hard to do soon, you know, sooner or later, but as long as it's still driving, I'm Gucci. Like, the next video I post, guys, you're really gonna understand why, like, I'm out of it and I'm like so lost and stuff, like, and really, like, technically, like, best way to put it, pissed off. Feel me? But it's kind of cold. Turn that off. Crack the windows open a little bit. Put my seatbelt on. Move up this a little bit. Take my sandals off. And this car needs a car wash bad. Let's see what this GPS tells me. Oh, whoa, mama, papa, let's go. Don't be playing games with me. Alright. Let's hope it don't die on the way to AutoZone. But if it does, it does. So we just have to, you know, get out and put the terminal back on. And plus, guys, remember, I haven't driven this car in a while. I don't know if you guys want some downshifts or what, but if y'all guys do, let me know. You know what? Let me just give it to y'all. That road look crazy. I don't know. Doesn't smell like the clutch is burning, but it is slipping a little bit. You know, all these static kids, you feel me? Like, they can't just slow down and just drive over. They have to go around and stuff. Like, ain't nobody got time for that. Man, y'all love driving this car, to be honest, guys. Like, even though, like, I'll be upset sometimes once I get behind the wheel of this car, a lot of that changes. Just let them go. But guys, I'm gonna talk to you once I get to AutoZone. So as you can see about the terminals, they didn't have the ground, so I'm just gonna change the positive terminal and leave the ground how it is for now, and see if, and pretty much that's it. You feel me? And then get started on the next video. So what we're gonna do is drive home now and be Gucci. You feel me, guys? So I'll catch you when I start driving. So we driving home now. Well, not home, but to go fix the car, fix the terminal, and then after that, we don't got no more issues of the car turning off. And I want you guys to comment down below a good clutch brand that's not too expensive, but you know, something that I know is gonna last me a while. Something I know that I could go to the track and beat the effing out of it, you feel me? But yeah, let me talk to you guys in a second. So we're here now. Pulling in that bum ass terminal again, so we could pop open the trunk so we could take out the tools. Oh, let's see. I want to get the car washed so bad, so I could go get I go put my rain guards on. You know, but little by little. No rush. Grab these bullshits. Whoa. Keys into pockets. Oh, perfect. This has some wire cutters right there. I don't know how good these shits work, but we're about to find out. I wish I had a fucking blade. And cut. How the hell does this come off? Oh, besides the point. Should I take this freaking shit off? Oh, why am I struggling so hard when I have a whole box cutter in the car? But stuff like this is exactly why I have it. Basura. Oh, wait, I'm bugging out. There we go. This is a pain in the ass. Oh, let's try something else. Ow. Here it is. Oh. Perfecto. Oh no, not perfecto. Alright, I can still make that work. I don't know how this really works, but I'm just gonna rip it off. I just want you guys to see my struggles, you feel me? So like that, you know that it wasn't just, oh, 1, 2, 3. Uh-huh. That. Motherfucker. That didn't work out how I thought it would, but it's whatever. Oh, yeah. Right there. That one right there. Turn this motherfucker up. Oh no, it's an 11 mil. Perfect. I ain't cutting none of this out, guys, because I want y'all to see my struggles. Whew. And if you're wondering if it's gonna catch on fire, the answer to that is no. You know why? Because these two cables are already attached to each other. When it was in there, I just took it out of there and just put it in here. And this is a 12. Damn, yo. I'm gonna miss just having a 10 millimeter. Oh, I'm a little stupid today. I'm missing my 9 millimeter and my 12 over here, which is probably upstairs. Worst case scenario, I'll just go buy new ones. And no, not a 12. Okay, 13 it is. It better be a motherfucking 13. Okay, now I see what's the problem. This 12 don't belong here, it belongs here. And this 13 is the wrong one as well. Yo, what's going on? There we go. Make sure that's not coming off nowhere. Just put this bum ass ground back on, and bang, bang, bang is done. Y'all seen my struggles. Y'all seen what I had to do. These up here is 11s, and then this one is a 13. So there you go. I use some wire strippers, nose needles, pliers, and one of these pliers, and a box cutters. And I took this garbage off. I feel like every time I work on my car, I take more and more stuff off. Feel me? Like lightweight. Like now, look, that's a pound right there that I just lost. Probably not even, but you feel me? Now, second step, put everything where it belongs and call it a day. Well, this goes back in the car. Make sure everything's all right. Screwdrivers in the car. All right. Before anything, let's test it out. And there's power. And oof, like a charm. Those are not going nowhere. That's not going nowhere. That's not going nowhere. We lit. That's it. Done. Finito. About time. So glad. So yeah, this radiator cap was bad. Let me open this up so y'all can see what I was talking about. See that little hose that fell off? So I just grabbed a new one, put it on, and the car is running new again. And I just topped it off, and that's it. So that's the end of this video, guys. If you liked it, don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Well, basically, don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more. Turn on post notifications. You can get alerted every single time I post.